Get him, dwarf.
You're going wild in there.
Only 10 seconds left. Yes. They're hurting my turret. My precious work.
Welcome to
Overtime.
This ends now.
No way! Bro, no way!
Oh, he's back there.
They'll all be scrap when Torpion's through with them. My precious work.
He's crazy.
Keep throwing bomb at me!
Yeah, we need to back up. Our tanks are gone.
They're not gonna make it. They made it. Never mind, they did not make it. Oh no!
Is that syzygy?
Oh, I'd be so